Good morning everyone. Today we are going to listen the second lesson, games and sports. This lesson classified into three sections. A. True right. B. What is a player poem, and C. VVS Lakshman. Very special. Today we are going to listen about the true height. And here see all of you. Dream and dream high. For dreams lead to thoughts, and thoughts lead to actions. Actions lead to success. Dream. Our dreams lead to very big dreams, and that dreams lead to thoughts. How we fulfill that dream? We do thinking or thoughts. We apply the thoughts. Thoughts leads to action. We do that. We apply the thoughts to do action. That action makes the success to our life. Fulfill the dreams. So we need to dream very big dreams. Okay, now next, coming to the questions, there are some questions. Are first question: what according to you does this quotations express? From these quotations, you will give the answer. Next, it is essential to dream high. How can anyone make one's dream come true? What is your dream in your life? And have you ever heard of a child with special needs becoming a champion? Okay, now this about this all we know from this lesson. And the speech about your dream, you will give speech in your class. And how you apply the thoughts to fulfill that dream also, you give a 15 minutes speech in your classroom. In this lesson, we are knowing about the Michael Stone's life story, how he became a athlete, and how his dream to come so true, and how he learned what he learned from his parents and from his childhood. Also, in this lesson, we discuss. Okay, all of you see in this page number 27. This is the story about the athlete as he pursues his star reading. This is story talks about the feelings of an athlete as he pursues his dream. Read about a nurse working day in Michael Stone's life as he prepares to take the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an awe-inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. Okay, now here you have to observe game is there. What is this game name? Pole wallet. How we play this game? By taking one stick and run some distance and jump over that stick. How many feet will be we jump over that feet, that will be winning race. We jump and land on the ground after some time. Okay, now here he is there. The people, some people in this picture standing on the grass. This field will be called as the Astro Stuff. AstroTurf means a type of artificial grass surface used especially for sports. This is about the clearly observed given how to play this game. By taking the long stick, we need to run some distance, and after we need to jump from that over that stick. How many feet we are over jumping that stick is very most important. With this game, winning will be depends on the feet of that stick. Okay, and also here the 10th step, you have to observe the person landing on the ground by overcoming that stick. So the story talks about the feeling of an athlete as he pursues his dream. How he pursued his dream. Athlete. Read about a nerve working day in Michael Stone's life. What is the meaning of the nerve working day? That means a very fearful day. When we are going to write a 10th class exam, what is our feeling? Very fearful and very tension feeling. Like that nerves working day of in Michael Stone's life. As he prepared to take the ultimate test of his sports career. It is an awe-inspiring achievement that will leave you breathless. The persons who are observing the Michael Stones, they all are breathless. Why? Because they take the ultimate test of his sports career. Whose sports career? The Michael Stone's sports career. That day was a very ultimate day, and he also taking the ultimate test for the his sports career. Okay. And what is the situation of the Michael Stones in that day? Very tense and fearful to play. Coming to the next para. His palms were sweating. He needed a towel to dry his grip. A glass of ice water quenched his thirst, but hardly cooled his intensity. The astroturf he sat on was as hot as the competition he faced today at the National Junior Olympics. How the grass ground will be very hot where he sat, and also his palms are very sweating. He needed a towel to dry up that sweating to give a grip. When we play the kabaddi, we also use the sand to dry up our hands. Like that, he used towel to dry up his grip, and also a glass of water, which water? Ice water, quenched his thirst but hardly cooled his intensity. But that glass of ice water not stopped his intensity. The pole was set at 17 feet, 3 inches higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his pole vaulting career. The, the stands were still filled with about 20,000 people, even though the final race had ended an hour earlier. Here, so many people went away, but also here the stage filled with the 20,000 people, even though the final race completed an hour earlier. But there is a people present to watch the Michael Stone's game. The pole was set at 17 feet, that was 3 inches higher than his personal best. Michael Stone confronted the most challenging day of his life. The people are very interested to watch the race of the Michael Stones. So they are the fans to the race of Michael Stones game. So they are waiting to see how many members. 20,000 people, even though the game already completed. Race had ended an hour earlier. 1 hour before the game will be over, but all the people are, how many members? 20,000 people are waiting in ground after completion of the game also. The pole vault is truly the glamorous event of any track and field competition. The sportsman combines the grace of a gymnast with the strength of a bodybuilder. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying, and the thought of flying as high as a two-storied building is a more fantasy to anyone watching such an event. Today, it is not only Michael Stone's reality and dream; it is his quest. So why the peoples are waiting here explained clearly. What is the game? Pole vault, and how was that game event? Glamorous means very beautiful event, and also track and field competition, and also sportsman combines the grace of a gymnast. We know how the gymnast do the magics with the strength of a bodybuilders. We already know how the bodybuilders will very fit body. They don't have the fat body. Okay, the bodybuilders are fat body. Have the fat body? No, they have the very fit body. Pole vaulting also has the element of flying, and the thought of flying is high as to destroyed building is a more fantasy. We all like the Spider-Man movie. Yes or no? Yes. We all feel we also need to fly like that. So that is the fantasy of anyone watching such an event. As long as Michael could remember, he had always dreamed. Michael's mother read him numerous stories about flying when he was growing up. Her stories were always the ones that described the land from a bird's eye view. Her excitement and passion for details made Michael's dreams full of color and beauty. In this para explained about the dream of Michael, and also why he became an pole vault player. When he was remembering all these things, when he started in the ground where the game will be, competition will be started, he was remembering all the things happened in his life. Who was remembering? The Michael Stone, remembering all the things happened in his life. So why he became an pole vault player? Michael's mother read him numerous stories about Was growing up. When he was growing up, what stories he read? He read numerous stories. In the stories, what is the story? Flying. Her stories were always the ones that described and learned from a bird's eye view. How the stories bird's eye view? What is the meaning of the bird's eye view? View of all the aspects of something. Straight view to the ground from the flying bird's eye. When the mother telling the stories, he felt that stories are real and also he needs to fly like that. So Michael's mother excitement and passion for dreams full of color and beauty. Full of color and beauty. Michael's dreams. Anybody don't like flying? No, we all are like flying. Like that, Michael Stones also loving to flying. So that interest make him to athlete. Which athlete? Pole vault athlete. Michael had this one recurring dream. He would be running down a country road. Recurring means it used to come many times. So only one dream comes so many times in his dreams. Whose dreams? Michael Stone's dreams. What is that dream? Would be running down a country road. Next, he could feel rocks and chunks of dirt at his feet. When he what he feel rocks and stones, some stones and some dust at his feet. As he raced down the golden lined wheat fields, we know what is the wheat. Wheat means a flour which is used to do chapati. That flour will be called as the wheat flour and the fields will be called as the wheat field. Where he was running the two sides of the road, there are wheat fields are there. He would always outrun the locomotive passing by. He would begin soaring like an eagle. How he was running? He was soaring like an eagle. He was running like that eagle. When he was running, he felt so many people are following him and chasing him. And also, where he was running, the two sides of the road, wheat fields are there. Coming to the next para, where he flew would always coincide with his mother stories. Okay, what are his mother stories? Are all flying stories. So these the flew would always coincide with his mother stories. His dad, on the other hand, was not a dreamer. He is not a dreamer. Bert Stone was a hardcore realist. He believed in hard work and sweat. His motto is if you want something, work for it. If you want something, you need to work for it. His motto. Whose motto? The dad, the father of the Michael Stone's motto. What is the name of that father? Bert Stone. Okay, now he is not a dreamer. He believes the hard work only. If you need something, if you want something, you do hard work only. He believes only hard work and sweat only. From these two paras, we listened about the father of the Michael Stones and mother of the Michael Stones. How the mother and how the father, and what he learned from the father and what he learned from the mother. From mother he learned flying is very interesting, and from the father hard work and sweat is more important to achieve anything in our life. These learnings are only helpful to the Michael Stone to become a great athlete in the pole vault, a great player in pole vault game. From the age of 14, Michael did. He began a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. What is the age when he started weightlifting program? 14. The age of Michael will be 14. Michael did just that. What he did just that to if you want something, work for it. What is Michael wants? Flying. Michael wants flying. He begins a very careful and regimented weightlifting program. He worked out every in weights with some kind of a running work on alternative days. The program was carefully monitored by Michael's coach, trainer, and father. Who was the coach of the Michael Stone? Father. The father only the trainer of the Michael Stone. Michael's dedication, determination, and discipline was a coach's dream. And also Besides being an honest, here we need dedication, determination, and also discipline. Most important to get success. And also honest is also very important for all the students. If you do some, you need to tell us type of honesty is very most important to do get success in your life. So the coach father needs things besides of the Michael Stone. Michael Stone continued to help his parents with their farm chores. Michael's persistence is striving for perfection was not only his obsession but his passion. Has the passion to do hard work, not a obsession. Obsession means a state in which a person's mind is completely filled with a thought of one particular thing or person. For example, if we want something, we always think about that thing only. That the condition will be called as the obsession. So all these things, determination, dedication, and discipline, and honest to maintaining all this, not a obsession of the Michael Stone. This is the passion of him. Okay, all of you understood? Mildred Stone, Michael's mother, wished that he could relax a bit more and be that free dreaming little boy. So mother always wants to free dreaming little boy. Okay, now if we write an exam and we go to the home, how pampering our mother like that. Michael's mother also pampering Michael Stone like that. On one occasion, she attempted to talk to him and his father about this, but his dad quickly interrupted, smiled, and said, "You want something, work for it." Michael's mother needs always leaves him to free. Okay, now, so always he interested to leaves Michael's free, but his father interrupted and said with a smiley face to the Michael Stone, "If you want something, work for it only." Why? Because he believes only hard work and sweat. So like that he said that word. What is that word? If you want something, work for it. You don't waste the time for enjoying or moving very freely and taking time to get enjoy. So you have to do work. If you want something, you need to do work for it. But mother wants to leave him free dreaming little boy. Free dreaming little boy. Who wants to live like that? Michael's mother. What is the name of the Michael's mother? Mildred Stone. All of Michael's valets today seem to be the rewarded for his hard work. If Michael Stone was surprised, thrilled, or arrogant about clearing the bar at 17 feet, you couldn't tell as soon as he landed on the implanted landing mat and with the crowd on its feet. Okay, now, what he did that day, he cleared the 17 feet and all are waiting to reward for his hard work. But Michael's we don't tell what is the he was surprised or thrilled or arrogant. You couldn't tell why because he was very normal and within the crowd on its feet. That means all the people who are watching that game are standing and giving claps to the Michael's game. Who was Michael's Stone's game. He wasn't react with that all, but Michael immediately began preparing for his next attempt at flight. He seemed oblivious of the fact that he had just surpassed his personal best by 3 inches and that he was one of the final two competitions in the pole vaulting event at the National Junior Olympics. And also he don't know he was the one of the finalists. Only two members are there. In the two members he is the one person in the pole vaulting event at the National Junior Olympics. So oblivious means he don't know about that. And also another meaning, not aware of something or unaware. So by clearing the 17 feet he is the one of the competitor in the pole vaulting event at the finals. He reached to the finals. Coming to the next para. Michael cleared that bar at 17 feet and 2 inches and 17 feet 4 inches. Again he showed no emotion. Again, after completion of the 17 feet 2 inches and also 17 feet 4 inches, again he was very normal. He was not showing no emotion, surprising emotion, thrilling emotion, or arrogant emotion. We couldn't tell any emotion. Why? Because he was very normal. Next, constant preparation and determination were his vision. We already discussed in the above para. Determination, dedication, and discipline and honest is the version. As he lay on his back and heard the crowd gone, he knew the other Walter had missed his final jump. In the finals, how many competitors are there? Only two competitors are there. Two Walters are there. But in the two Walters, one Walter missed his final jump. So Michael's news. It was the time for his final jump. Since the other Walter had fewer misses, by taking the so many chances, he completed that feats to work. But Michael's needed to clear this wallet to win. So Michaels needed to clear this wallet at one time only. If he take chances to complete that final jump, he also comes into the second place. A miss would get him second place. Nothing to be ashamed of. But Michaels would not allow himself the thought of not winning first place. So he wouldn't like to second place. Why? Because he was a hard worker and he is good determination. He had good determination and dedication and also discipline. So he always wants to win first place only, without missing and without taking so many chances. He need to clear this. So then only he will get the first place only. If a miss would get, then what happened? He get the second place only. So that was not liked by the Michael Stone. Coming to the next para, he rolled over and did his ritual of three fingers triple push-ups. He found his pole, stood and stepped on the runway. That led to the most challenging event on his 17 years old life. Here, ritual means any customary observance or practice. What he did before going to the competition. He did practice with the fingers triple push-ups, and he found his pole. He taken his pole, stood and stepped on the runway that lead on the most challenging event of his 17 years old life. Today we learn about the feeling of an athlete, what he did to come his dream true, and what he did to pursuing his dream, what he learned from his childhood and from his parents, how their parents are, and how the mother and how the father, and we'll learn what is the dedication, determination, and discipline of the athlete Michael Stone. Okay, all of you see this video and must and should read the textbook.